What's up YouTube, it's your boy Sonwabile. I'm back with another video reaction, man. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reacting to Sonwabile's brand new car, man. I'm not gonna lie, man, I've been watching this nigga from like back as 2020, you know. He really put in the work and now, you know, he's just enjoying the fruits of his labor, man. You know what I'm saying? He inspires us, you know, upcoming YouTubers and shit like that. But like this, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more video reaction, man. Let's get straight and watch this video, man. Yeah. He got motion, I ain't gonna lie, bro. He hang out with artists like that. He got motion. Bro, let me tell you guys a story time. Yaga, I'm good on that. I'm not gonna lie. Yaga Master, I respect this shit, bro. Like this shit, this one time, bro, it had me gone, like, fucked up. Like, bro, like I was drunk to the point where like I was like, damn, this is not me. So hey bro,
Name on the line. One
So YouTube makes mine.
YouTube does.
As I just
said. Just want to say, guys, anything is possible, bro. Just keep chasing your dreams, bro. Anything is possible. Not a lot of people around my age can just purchase a whip. Can't just purchase a whip. Purchase my first whip, bro. I won't lie to you. I'm very excited. It's getting better right now. This is how much you need to purchase a whip. This is all you need. I'm like,
dog, give me some coins, bruh. Give me some money, dog. Like, damn. Shit. Delivery fee don't make sense. How much is delivery fee? If y'all know how much it is, comment down in the section. But that looks like a lot of money. Delivery fee.
Okay, let me just send you also my live location. Just want to say, before the whip gets here, just want to say thank you guys, bro, for watching the videos, for liking. You understand what I'm saying?
So how much are you giving us for watching
Yeah, give us money, bruh. Give me some money, dog. Give me some money, bruh.
They wanna keep telling you, hey, when? You must keep chasing your dreams, bro. Don't let them tell you anything, bro. And there's more to this. This is like a start, dog. I'm telling you, this is like a start. There's more I'm about to cook. I think that's her.
Nah.
It's gonna make my car look shitty because you put her with a Beamer. You guys don't even know the car that I'm on board.
No.
Bruh, it's in the thumbnail, bro. We saw it low key. Just forward a little bit.
Hey, you love money on it. You love money on it. That's fine.
My boy, he's a polo guy now. Dog, you polo face. Yeah, but I'm not gonna. I like the TSI too, man. The outline. I like the outline. Is bro. Little sunroof, bro. I've driven this car before. It's I'm not gonna lie. It's comfortable. It's But like, I ain't gonna lie, dog. Hey, man, let me not say too much, man. I don't know how Sonwabile bag is, bro. I don't know how Sonwabile bag is. You see some others are buying Brabus G-Wagon. I don't even know if they're renting it or they're buying it. But if you bought the car, Sonwabile, bro, shut up. Shout out. Unlike some niggas who are out there renting the car, you see it for a couple of months and the next thing is gone. You don't even know what the fuck happened. or you see it for a little while, the next thing is gone, man. Shout out to all the niggas who are actually true, man. They actually go and purchase cars instead of making us believe that they purchased it, but so yeah, man. Hey, I'm not gonna lie though. I don't know how much bag you get, but I would have went for them Mercedes Benz. I would have went for like a Merc or BMW. But yo, man, shit, if you purchased it cash, dog, well done, my nigga. Shit, it's nice, dog. It's nice, dog. I feel like people like Ghost got us thinking like, you know, high and shit like that, bro.
It's crazy. Give me the keys.
He's navigator brought me up.
Main keys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Bro is moving in a different level, dog. You know, going to fetch the car at the dealership, they getting the car delivered to him. That's crazy. Damn.
Side. Start like cap.
Side. Yes, sir. You think the key exchange?
Yes.
You can front keys now. Stop. That's right.
No keys. Put up to thingy. Send more. Just hope you.
Bro, nigga got 2 cars now, dog. I'm not gonna lie, this is motion, bro. Nigga got 2 cars. Shout out.
We just moved to Santa. We just moved to Santa. You understand?
Why not?
Why not?
Right now we're heading to Bloom. Drop off the car. And then next PE for girls night. So stay tuned for girls night. So on the next episode that I'm having.
We're pulling up. The baby has to go. I'm sad, I won't lie. I'm sad, I won't lie. If this car could talk, if this car could talk, yo, dog. I'm gonna change the car. I'm gonna change the car.
We're gonna change the wheel of the car.
What's that we see?
No keys.
How these happening things happen. I want it happening.
He would provide life.
This came from my brother. My brother also deserves a cut. Understand? He must learn from his brother.
Yeah.
Hey, hold on. Does it mean he's gonna give it to his brother, or he means his brother will spool? Because if he's giving it to spool, shut up, dog. That's the shit right there, bro. You can't let your homie, you know what I'm saying, go up with your homie, dog. If you're giving it to spool, my nigga, that's what I'm talking about.
Go crazy. We're gonna do a tutorial first time on video.
I'm gonna do a tutorial first time.
They don't even know Glee, actually.
They don't even know Glee.
Okay.
It was so sweet when they shot it.
Damn. Shit.
Fuck this life, man. I was like, different types of shows. Girlfriends of Bob, bro. Shout out.
Thank you for Puerto Rico as your girlfriend.
Until next time.
Alright, no man, that is it for this video. If you did enjoy that reaction, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in another reaction.